Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of the Florida Suncoast Chapter. Hope you're well. Memorial Day weekend, big weekend for me and our family at our home. And I hope it is for you as well. So let me dive right into it. Brand new, the first video we're taking on the iPhone. Yeah, I know. I've been a loyal Android user for, I don't know, 15 plus or more years, much more than that. So first venture into the iPhone and just trying to figure it all out. So hope this comes out good. We'll see. But first, let me talk to you about on the 26th, we have the Jacksonville dinner meeting up in the Jax area. Check our calendar for that. On the 28th, we have the Panama City Beamers and dinner. And then on the 30th, we have the Panama City Beach Cars and Coffee. Same thing on the 30th, we have the Bradenton, the FSC ZSCCA breakfast in Bradenton, and we know sometimes a drive or something will pop out of that one. On the 1st, we have the St. Pete Clearwater dinner meeting. And then on the 6th, we're really busy. We have a lot of choices up and down the whole side, west coast of the state. We'll start in Tallahassee with the Southland Cars and Coffee. We'll go to Gainesville at the Tioga Town Center Cars and Coffee. And then we're going to come down to the BMW of Sarasota Cars and Coffee. And from there, as we've been talking about, we're launching our X chapter drive for lunch. We'll be leaving Sarasota Cars and Coffee, I think around 10 a.m. and then we'll arrive out at the beach just a little bit before noon for some lunch out there. You don't have to have an X drive or an X vehicle to join us. If you're a chapter member or a guest, come on and go with us. But this is going to be a special first launch for our X chapter, and there's going to be some really cool news at that luncheon. So plan to be there. We'll either take one of the X's or one of the X's. I don't know. I'm not sure which one we're taking yet, but we'll be there with one of our X vehicles. So until then, by the way, did you know if you go to our website and click on our calendar and go down to the end of the month, there's a little tab there that says you can subscribe to our calendar and get our calendar events as they update. So just FYI, if you want to really stay on top of it, in case you don't want to watch all my video, which is, I get it, but it'll put you right in the news as we put things on the calendar. So just thought I'd let you know about that. Just happened to see that same feature myself. Thought it was really pretty cool. Now, I'm going to say thank you and happy motoring, and I'm going to go figure out how to transfer this to Miss Carol so she can load it on the YouTube. Until then, happy motoring. See ya.